ಮಾಡ್ರಿಗೂ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ 10 ಜನ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ.
ನಾನು ಗಾಡಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಈ ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟಲ್ GT ತೊಗೋಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಅದು ತೊಗೋಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು.
ಅದೇ
ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾರು ಇಷ್ಟ?
And believe me, one of the most scariest times we've had in the recent past. I thought it would be good adventure, but it was way more than adventure we could have ever imagined. Guys, these are the number of people who are gathered today for the ride, DD Hills ride. I'm joined by other fellow motovloggers of Bangalore who I don't even know. Hopefully, we can have a sort of get together and take it forward. Alright. It's not Red Rooster. This looks quite similar to Red Rooster. This is Royal Sports.
Okay, I guess it's a fake version of Red Rooster. What people say that?
Yes. The sound it makes is absolutely crazy. Yeah, bro. Yeah, the last ride was absolutely fantastic. Yeah. I mean, yeah, that location, that the best thing is, when you try and influence other people to go, if they're inspired, and nothing better than it. Because after we went, we explored that place last time. There are other couple of more people who followed, and they actually happened to visit that same place. Yeah, it turns out to be quite adventurous. I mean, there's no point in going to places which you've already been. So my idea of traveling is always trying to visit new places. Anyway, so next week we'll try and catch up. This week I'm busy, so we'll try and hopefully catch up on our next ride, 29th of March. Yeah, 27th, 29th, the next Sunday. Yeah. Alright, see you then. Bye.
A few moments later.
देश आज एक महत्वपूर्ण निर्णय करने जा रहा है। आज रात 12 बजे से पूरे देश में, ध्यान से सुनिए, पूरे देश में आज रात 12 बजे से संपूर्ण देश में संपूर्ण लॉकडाउन होने जा रहा है। हिंदुस्तान को बचाने के लिए, हिंदुस्तान के हर नागरिक को बचाने के लिए, आपको बचाने के लिए, आपके परिवार को बचाने के लिए आज रात 12 बजे से घरों से बाहर निकलने पर पूरी तरह पाबंदी लगाई जा रही है।
Yeah, bro. 21 days lockdown यार, क्या करूँ यार, समझ नहीं आ रहा। It's like पाँव हाथ काट के रखे हैं यार, अभी क्या करूँ बताओ। I mean, we are supposed to go. You know how difficult it is for bikers to stay at home. Because somehow the other way, we always keep traveling. That's what we do, try and do always. 21 days, okay. Chalo. Hi bro. So yeah, yay bro, we are nearing to the 21st day. Today is April 14th. Yeah, I'm positive tomorrow the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my bike out and go. What are you going to do? Tell me. It's like new resolution. Your resolution after post lockdown. Tell me, what are you going to do? Hide that excitement. No, you can't hide that excitement. Yeah, I'm going to take my bike out and go for a long ride anyway. Alright, stay positive. I'll see you. Bye. Yay! Tomorrow is April 15th and I'm going to travel. Not wait for the weekend. I'm going to travel. Oh my god. Tomorrow is April 15th and I'm going to ride. April 15th, post lockdown. Let me get ready.
नमस्ते नमस्ते मेरे प्यारे देशवासियों।
अच्छा न्यूज़ देना।
साथियों, सारे सुझावों को ध्यान में रखते हुए ये तय किया गया है कि भारत में लॉकडाउन को अब 3 मई तक और बढ़ाना पड़ेगा।
Bro, an extended lockdown for 15 days. Oh my god, bro. Did you just hear that? Did you just hear that? Oh my god. Every day, each and every day, it's like a year for me, bro. Now imagine having to spend next 18 days, 18 to 19 days in the lockdown. Oh my god, this is really getting tough. Bro, you won't believe I almost was ready, just lubricating my bike's chain and stuff. I was making sure I was doing the last minute pre-ride checkup for the bike, and this what happens. Oh my god, bro.
यानी 3 मई तक हम सभी को, हर देशवासी को लॉकडाउन में ही रहना होगा।
मोदी जी वो सब तो ठीक है, लेकिन इस बाल का क्या करें? इस बाल का देखिए कितना ज़्यादा बढ़ गया है। अगर आप 21 दिन तक लॉकडाउन करेंगे तो मेरे बालों का क्या होगा?
इस दौरान हमें अनुशासन का उसी तरह पालन करना है जैसे हम करते आ रहे हैं।
हम तो जब लॉकडाउन से बाहर आएंगे तो लोग तो हमें वैसे भी पहचान ही नहीं पाएंगे ना। इस तरह के बाल रख के देखिए किस तरह से बढ़ गए हैं बाल मेरे। आप ही बताइए कुछ उपाय मोदी जी। सैलून तो कम से कम खुलवा दीजिए मोदी जी।
मेरी आपसे हाथ जोड़ करके प्रार्थना है कि घरों में रहते हुए आप उन लोगों के बारे में सोचिए, उनके लिए मंगल कामना करिए।